Restoring the health and value of our ocean demands unlocking $140 billion per year and a groundbreaking movement. eOceans is poised to make this happen. Let's dive in. This is Dr. Christine Wardpage, a 20-year veteran in leading local to global marine science for government, academia, NGOs, and industry. Her research spans fisheries, pollution, endangered species, protected areas, economics, policy, and more. The problem that she and all of her colleagues face is that all this work is still manual, siloed, and slow. They're still searching the ocean for one thing at a time, handwriting down their observations, entering into spreadsheets, and analyzing for one question at a time, and then publishing years to decades later with the hope that it will inform public and policy. Take this very local to Atlantic Canada example, where DFO published a progress report on Atlantic salmon, a very important species in our area, in 2021. But the last data point was collected in 2015. That's at least 6 years out of date. The same problem holds true for all reaches of our oceans and lakes in 190 coastal countries, 200,000 plus species, and a growing list of threats and issues. Science and smart innovations and decisions just can't keep pace with business, society, or ocean change. Enter eOceans. eOceans is a powerful data collection mobile app with real-time analytics, GIS, and dissemination platform. How does it work in 5 simple steps? Step 1, Christine uploads her project details and an outline of her study area. This takes about an hour. Step 2, she invites her team of contributors. This can be a small, trusted, highly trained team of scientists, or it can be a massive global participatory or citizen science project. It really depends on the nature of the work. Step 3, they upload existing data sets to the eOceans platform for analysis, and they can add new data using eOceans mobile app in the field in real time. Step 5, they review and discuss the results and make action plans. That's right, there was no step 4 because eOceans did all the heavy lifting in between, unlocking up to 80% of Christine and her colleagues' time. No notes, no spreadsheets, and no yelling out into the abyss. No matter how you look at it, eOceans offers a profound value. And no, eOceans does not sell advertisements or data, and we don't make the data open access, so that local and Indigenous knowledge holders and communities can collaborate ethically. Then we offer subscription services depending on the project size and analytical needs. Projects start at just $50 a month, which includes summary analytics and maps, not only unlocking Christine's time to do more, but also to maximize budgets and impact. Today, I have just one ask, and that's for you to download the eOceans app, have it on your phone so that the next time you're by the ocean, whether it's sailing, fishing, surfing, taking the ferry, you can be logging what you see and helping scientists like Christine better understand what's happening in the ocean near you and to make better informed decisions with policy and management. Because sensors won't save the ocean, but people can. eOceans, for the ocean, for us.